In this video, we are going to be unboxing this cloud sofa so that you can see what to expect when ordering this couch. It came in 3 different boxes. 2 of the boxes arrived yesterday and the 3rd arrived today. This is the U-shaped option, so it comes with the couch and the 2 ottomans. We started with the first box in the middle here, and this has a portion of the base of the couch and its cushions and pillows. The vacuum sealed pieces are going to be your cushions that expand when you open them, and the unwrapped ones are the bases, backrest, and the side pieces. We went ahead and leaned them up against the wall so you could see them. The 2 in the middle are those base units and the side ones are the side pieces. Next, we just have all the pillows and the cushions. So it came with a ton of pillows. They all unzip so that you can take off the cases and wash them. The larger pillows with Velcro backing will attach to the backrest, and this big guy is your cushion. And it will continue to fully expand for a couple days, but you can start using the couch immediately. They attach to the base with this Velcro, and they also have a zipper all the way around, so they are easy to wash as well. And then these are the legs that will screw onto the base, and the last thing is your hardware. The second box is both of your ottomans. They both came in this one box. You have your 2 bases and then the vacuum sealed cushions that will just Velcro on top of the base, and then some more legs for those ottomans. This last box is going to be the rest of your base unit. So very similar to that first box, you have 2 base units in here, 2 backrests, and your pillows and cushions. Here is a little clip of the assembly process. My husband had just finished assembling the base, which was probably the most difficult part. After that, everything just kind of Velcros into place.